Well, if he says that the car was towed post-sticker, then there's a problem with the date on one of those.
No, that the car was towed on the 15th, and you have him signing a release that is dated the 18th.
But he acknowledges that he was issued the sticker and the car was towed after.
Oh, for sure.
I would state that there was acknowledgement by the plaintiff that the sticker was
So you got the sticker.
given.
Let's talk about what you do when you get the sticker. What do you do? According to you, you took your time because she said, take your time. All right? But except for that you had to run down half-dressed before your morning routine in order to get it because it was such an emergency. But she said, take your time. And then literally tell me what you do. You're already outside. You're already there. You don't just walk to your car and put the stupid sticker on?
I'm not outside. I'm downstairs in the lobby.
Where's your car? Is your car up on a top floor?
It's outside in the parking lot.
Right, and you're in the lobby, so you're halfway out to the lot to where your car is. Why don't you just walk and put the sticker on your car?
Because she told me they would not be coming to that evening, and I had not taken my medication. I hadn't brushed my teeth, done anything.
Okay, so after you took your medication and brushed your teeth, did you go downstairs and put the sticker on the car?
Yes. Well, I went.
Let's see if that's what you say in your complaint.
Okay.
So what'd you do?
I went downstairs to put the sticker on the car and run an errand.
When did you go downstairs to put the sticker on the car?
It was around 4 or 5 o'clock.
And what time was it that you got the sticker?
That was 9:45
When does
in the morning.
the day they call you and the day they give you the sticker, they have you sign this?
No.
They have you come down 3 days later after your car gets towed and you're angry and you sign this?
Yes.
Because I don't buy that either.
Okay.
See, something went wrong here on the dates, but I'm not going to buy that you, who were so angry about this that you were immediately demanding reimbursement, would sign something saying, I hereby waive, any liability on their part.
Okay.
This doesn't seem like something you'd sign 3 days later.
My assumption is that liability meant any damages that occurred in the parking lot to my car. I was upset that they would ask me to.
It's entitled, I could see how that would look that way.
Yes. It had nothing to do with the parking.
Yeah, I don't see how this, I think he's right about that. I think that you're trying to snow me when you say that this has something to do with the tow thing. That's why the 18th is on it, because there's not a word in there about tow. It's all about damage. But in any event, let's talk about the wisdom of you getting a sticker in the morning and then you waiting until 4 to put it on and then you getting upset. Okay. And demanding that they reimburse you $172 plus $11 for a cab.
Okay.
If you're going to just keep saying to me, they told me there was no rush, you realize you got a real uphill battle.
No.
Because you told me how they rushed you down there to get the sticker and how you had to get down there half-dressed and with not having done your routine. Your routine doesn't take until 4 in the afternoon, my friend. And you say you go down to do it at 4 in the afternoon. What time do they say they towed it?
At 2:44 in the afternoon.
Yeah, it shouldn't take you till 2:44. You're downstairs now with a sticker in your hand. Why wouldn't you just walk over?
Because I was told they wouldn't be there to that evening, and I had not yet
What time that evening were you told they would be there?
They told me they would not be there until that night. They gave me no specific time frame, except for saying that night. Okay. And I had not yet taken my medication.
What if you think night means 9 and they think night means 6?
That's exactly the truth. I thought it
sounds like maybe you should have walked to your car and put the stupid sticker on, right?
I thought that night meant when the sun goes down.
You're completely out of gas. You have zero. I got to tell you something. I'm thinking, you know what? You're running an elderly site. Maybe, he's confused and dehydrated and he needs, maybe you should give him a little extra time on this. And maybe you guys should, because your exact statement was, if it was so important, they should have walked me out to put the sticker on. You are like 6 years older than I am, all right? And I think you're trying to milk it. And my verdict in this case is for the defendant.